All right, back in index.js, in this lecture, we're going to move all the code for setting up logging to a different module. So anything that is related to Winston and handling rejected promises. So back in the startup folder, let's add a new file, logging.js. Again, we export a function. And then back in index.js, take all this code for setting up Winston, cut it, and move it to login.js right here. Now here we need to import Winston as well as Winston-MongoDB. So let's go back to index.js. On the top, this is where we're importing Winston and Winston-MongoDB. Cut and move them here. So you can see with every refactoring, our index.js module is getting shorter and cleaner. Now, I would also like to move this require statement for handling asynchronous errors in Express. I would rather to put this in our login module, which is all about handling and login errors. So let's require Express async errors here as well. Now, finally, we need to go back to index.js and load the login module. Require startup/logging. Note that I put this first, so just in case we get an error in loading other modules, we make sure to log that error and terminate the process. So we're done with this refactoring. Your next exercise is to move all the code for dealing with configuration to a separate module. So more specifically, I'm talking about these few lines here, where we look for essential configuration settings during the application startup.